How to download ChatGPT on Android. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open Play Store on your Android device. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search for ChatGPT. You can find different options here. However, the one that you want to tap on is ChatGPT by OpenAI. Now you want to tap on the install button. Now it's going to take some time for the download to be completed. Once the download has been completed, it is automatically going to be installed on your Android device. After it has been installed, tap on the open button. Now here you have the option to continue with Google, Apple, or sign up with email. You can tap on the login option. To log in, you want to enter your email address, then tap on the continue option. Then enter your password and tap on the continue option. Now tap on continue here, and now from here you can start using the ChatGPT. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.